Hi guys, my name is Jillian and this is DIY Hair School, and today I'm going to show you how to get this amazing blowout look in your hair without even having to blow dry your hair at all. We are going to do an overnight blowout where you roll your hair up in these makeshift rollers and sleep in it, and in the morning this is what your hair will look like. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm about to go to bed, so we're going to put in the overnight heatless blowout curlers. They are a little DIY project. I'm sure you've seen them on TikTok. First, I'm going to brush my hair out really well. My hair is dry, completely dry, and it was washed this morning. Because I have fine hair, I do put a little dry shampoo in it before I set my hair to go to sleep, and this just helps it to not look oily in the morning, and I can get a full day out of my heatless blowout. What you are going to need is a pair of socks. Obviously, clean socks is preferable. And these foam rollers, I got these at the dollar store. They were like $3 for the whole pack, and I only used 4 of these purple ones. They are bendy and they stay where you put them. And yeah, I take 2 of them and I stick them in the sock, and I use 2. Then I create a front section of my hair. The front section is basically the hair from my crown down to my ears on both sides. It doesn't have to be perfect, but neat sections and no tangles is always going to give you the best results. My little sock rollers, make sure those rollers are all the way inside the sock, and I am just going to take all of this hair. Make sure those ends are smoothed really nicely around the ends and not bunched up inside, or they will be all wonky in the morning. I am going to roll that forward, and then I'm going to bend everything back like that on top of my head. Then I'm going to do the back section. Once those are in nice and secure, you could just sleep like this, but I like to go one step further and wear a satin cap. I just grabbed this one off of Amazon. It is in my Amazon storefront, but any cap will do, and this will just help keep everything in place all night, and I'll show you the results. And I will show you the results in the morning. All right, they have been in all night, so let's take them out. You can see they stay in really well while you sleep. I do think this helps. I'm not 100% sure. I've never slept without it, so I don't know exactly how well it would work if you didn't use a satin cap, but I think it would still stay in pretty well. It just might end up a little bit more messy. So then we just unwind. And there we go. It literally looks like I spent 45 minutes blowing out my hair when I didn't. I just slept in those makeshift rollers overnight, and it just looks every time like I spent so much time in the morning doing my hair, and I don't have to do it at all. Show you the back. Love it. Thank you so much for coming to DIY Hair School today. I had a great time teaching you guys that tutorial. I hope that you found it useful and that you will now get to try the heatless blowout for yourself and that you will have just as great results as I do. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my tutorials. Follow and leave a comment below letting me know what tutorials you would like to see next. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I post a ton more stories and video content there. Have a great day, guys.